What's up, man? Welcome back to Corey's Trading Desk. No gimmicks, none of that stuff where we just trade price. You got a drink, go and pour it up. Yeah, if you partake, go and roll it up. Just sit back and watch. First thing first, we're gonna start with our daily. My drawing liquidity is here. Ultimately, we're pretty much almost there. This and that. Ultimately, this. What do I see this morning? See this gap, and we wicked into it. Nothing closed over it. So I'm looking for long, something to get up in there. So my main focus today will be longs. Basically, all I'm looking for is longs today. And it is the day after a holiday, so the day after Memorial Holiday. I'm not really expecting a whole lot, but we are here to trade it, tape read it, watch it, all that stuff. Creeping up on 9:30. Man, I hope everyone had a great 3-day weekend. All right. So I'm focusing on longs, but what do I see? What do I see? I see these highs were disrupted. So came up, took that, took these. Only thing that's left is London high, New York lunch high from Thursday. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And we got these really close. Look at that. We ran lows, ran highs. So now we're just gonna wait until 1 minute. It's 9:30. So we're gapped at a premium because we're higher than we closed. Close to open. Oh wait, that is. I need to go back to regular electronic trading hours. I want the opening. Guess I don't have that. Jeez, feel all discombobulated. It's not the midnight open. Excuse me. That's the opening, oops, oh my goodness, opening range, gap, consequent encroachment. And then we'll just chop that up. Then go back to electronic. And again, remember, so we're going, oh, I'm going short. And Y. Excuse me. 27. What is this? This is Monday's first presented fair value gap. Mainly waiting for a first presented fair value gap, but if we could reject off of yesterday's again, we'll go ahead and go short. And we're going to go 1, 2. And since, excuse me, since this London low is so close, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure halfway in between. My first target will be this. So I'll go 1 and then 2. If we can get that. And I'm waiting for either first presented fair value gap or rejection off of that. Let's see. Did we close below halfway of this? See, I don't want to get caught chasing price. Because ideally, I want to see go down there. So anything above here is a premium. Anything below is discount. And we opened up at a premium. So I want to see at minimum 50%. Anything below is discount. And we go from premium to discount. And then we're going to go short. Stop loss right above there. Again. We'll buy one there. And then buy one there. And then we just watch and manage. So what just happened? We just hit this London low. My first presented fair value gap is right there. We just tagged the London low from this morning at 2 a.m. Again, I'm long. My draw liquidity is up there, but we're gonna, if we can ride something down, we'll ride it down. If we can ride it down, sounds like I said write something down. So if we can ride it down to something, that's what we're gonna do. Goodness. Minimum, again, I want to see you close below this 50%. That is halfway of this gap. So from open to close of last week. And like I said, I want to see you close below it. Probably would be make more sense to take my first target there versus waiting for it. So yeah, we're gonna take that first one. I'm gonna cancel that. And we're gonna close that stop loss a little bit. Let me look at my higher time frame. So we have this in here that it can retrace to, but again, I want to see close below it. If it don't, it doesn't. So now what I'm paying attention to is this right here. This is a SIBI, sell side, buy side imbalance on a 1 minute. So ideally, I want to see it stay in the bottom half. I don't want to see it close back over it. This wicking through it is okay, but we don't want to see a green candle close over it. Or at least I don't want to see. I'm not going to say we. Who am I speaking for? Finish in 5 minutes. Not 26 seconds. Well, that's what I want to see, but let's see if that holds true. This get treated as a breakaway. Higher time frame. Oh my god, a SIBI being created. Like I said, I want to see a close below this right here, and I don't like that because it could still go up into here. $28. Stop letting it hurt everybody. Wait, what? Hold on. I think I did something. Excuse me. Oh, darn it. See? Why did I stop it there? Oh, man. So we did not get to halfway. Let me go. Did not get to halfway. Did not have my fib anchored properly. Again, we've permitted that, and if it closes above it, then we have an issue. That's why my stop loss is up there. Man, we're just watching this 1 minute. This 1 minute SIBI. I went in down, zoom out. what's down here. I still want to see you get to. Got 45 minutes. I mean, we're at 9:40, so about 20 more minutes until 10 o'clock. So yeah, we're just gonna see if we can get down there. Look how we wicked up into this and then came down. So I want to see this stay like this. Like I said, ideally, I would like to see it get down to halfway down here. And now we're gonna just sit and wait and watch. Mercedes. Party with you. Party in school. Like I said, the wicking is that's okay, and I ain't even gonna cap that. That still drives me up a wall because it always gets so close. And I'm thinking, well, where's the next inefficiency if it doesn't want liquidity up here? I think. Let's see, 2 minute. Oh, come on. You gonna move slow now? 3 minute. 5 minute. Where are we on the 5 minute? What's that? 5 minute CB. That's what I'm using as a hard time frame. 5 minute CB. Ooh, how close that was. I got 15 minutes before 10 o'clock, and I want to see it get down here. And if it don't, it is what it is. And we are stopped out. Stopped out. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let me see what this looks like on the 1 minute. Excuse me. Liquidity there. Equal highs in here. And then I have not checked out the economic calendar, I don't think, today. Oh, let's see. We got news at 9 a.m. and then 9:10. CB consumer confidence, and then FOMC. Oh, you know what? FMOC member Waller speaks. So we're just gonna sit and wait and watch. So we ran this low. Again, I wanted to see this, and then ultimately to halfway of the opening range gap. Bro, what is that? Close. To open. So we failed to get to halfway. We failed to get to halfway. We failed. Hey, I don't even think I put my first percent fair value gap in there either. Man, excuse me today. Life is just life, man. What's today? Tuesday, May 27th. Tuesday, May 27th. This is Sibi. So back to yesterday's first presented fair value gap, which was classified as a what? Busy. Yeah, really close to that high, rejected off of yesterday's first presented fair value gap. So we ran London low. I see equal highs up here, 321, 316 and a quarter. So maybe look how that stopped at the top half of this. First we wigged, this stopped, that stopped. Wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. Two-minute, 3-minute. So we went down, took this low, back up into yesterday's first presented fair rate gap. Well, let me go higher time frame. So that was ran. Yeah, I don't know. Still sent short on the first presented fair rate gap. We're into opening range gap. Because we're at the top of it. You said I knew better. If I just work hard, but I lifted my head up. That left me fed up. Close. Make sure we got those anchor right. Open. My nigga decision. That's what's still left. Here is this right here. Like I said, you got sell side over us up here. I mean, buy side. So I think we're gonna have to be looking for longs up until here. Why would you do that? Well, we ran lows. We ran the London low. The next low is the Asian low. So we've never reached halfway, which that's what I wanted to see this morning. I wanted to see it come down here, there, and then go back up, but not in the cards today. But it's all right, though. Like I said, I'm not sure. And what makes it hard for me is this morning, Asian ran old London low. Get this out the way so you can see. Ran this, ran that, created a low, and ran that, created a high, ran this. As soon as it ran that, I wanted to see it go there and there, and ultimately there. But on the higher time frame, this is the draw. We got volume imbalances here. An imbalance there. Where no candle has laid over. So I think we're going to leave shorts alone and just focus on the longs. We took what, one trade thus far. We took one so far. Higher time frame. And we're running right to where the buy side was. There we go. Just ran through that. So I'm gonna focus on longs. We got our silver bullet coming up, 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be chasing price if I do that. Oh wait, no, because we're let me I wanna go from here. So anything below here is pretty much free game. But I want to make sure I don't put it where it could retrace. closest we can retrace down into here. So I'll wait and see if we can get some sort of retracement. If not, I got a Bissy here. And I'm about to look at oh wait. See a candle. See if we can come back and stay in the top half. 5 minute. Because you got this down here. Let's get rid of that 1 minute city. Man. This thing called life. This thing called life. You hear the the choo-choo train. Yeah. I really want a retracement back into the top half. Like boom, and then go. But I'm not sure if we're gonna get that. Came down, go back up to go higher. Can we get some sort of retracement? That's not a 5 minute, that's just a straight busy. It's throwing me for a loop. And I really don't want to chase. Technically, I guess it wouldn't be chasing because I want to see you go up there. But I would like to see retracement down into here, then to go higher. Man, dude. What do we do with this thing called life? Try to live it and get it and make it right. And I want to go long, but I'm gonna wait for retracement. I want to see if we get boop back into it. That's what I would like to see, but you know, what you would like to see and what it actually is usually two different things. Two different things. Two different things. I want to see this one treated as what? Breakaway. If I understand that correctly. Again, the things that I use, I'm not here to teach it. I'm just using it at my level of understanding and what makes sense to me and how the tools work in my hands. That's it. That's all. I don't think I'm equipped to teach anything. I'm sure if you watch enough, you'll catch on to something. I would hope so. Again, I want to see a retracement down into this this bitchy right here, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Man, just man. 2 minute, there's a gap there. 3 minute, there's a gap there. 1 minute, there's a gap there. So let's see. I'm gonna fade this out. We're gonna go 2 minute, and then I'm gonna draw this out in a 2 minute, see where it lines up. 2, there's a 3 minute, just a little bit higher. Oh no, 1 minute. Like I said, I want to see a retracement down into here. Got a minute 30 before that 1 or 5 minute closes. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get that. Yeah, people try like maniacs. What you rushing for? Dang, so as soon as we ran this low, I should have been looking up here. But again, I wanted to see it go lower. We did not get to halfway of between these two, so that's even more of a confirmation. Look up here. Waiting for a retracement, but don't think we're going to get that there, buddy. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. So this was used as what? Came down. First presented fair value gap is a SIBI, so it's used as inversion, just in price higher. Up to where? Well, your first target was equal highs. Next one is this right here. And then on the daily, we got this right here. So again, I wanted to see shorts this morning, but it definitely wasn't in the cards. What was that? What was that? Maybe we'll get a retracement at this high. was a nice one. Even this down to that, but again, I got tunnel vision. I mean, not say tunnel vision, but I got stuck to one side for sure. I tagged that. Want to see in between these two, this low and the Asian low, so I want to see that, and which we didn't get. 10, 12. That's the news for today. We got nothing else until tomorrow. Yeah, see, I'm still waiting. And if I don't get it, it's okay. Now this becomes a 5 minute. It's crazy because if I would have stick to my initial bias of going up here and trying not to run both sides, run it down and run it up, that loss could have been avoided and could have been all this. But again, that's part of the learning lesson. It's why I record them so I can go back and watch them. So we just took the London high. So what's left? We have Asian low, or we have this inefficiency, have this high up here, and this high. So just the fact that we are above opening range gap lets me know that I need to pay attention to longs, primary longs. So in electronic trading, what just happened? Because that's still open. So what's left? We have New York AM low, and then this. But let's go back up to our higher time frame. I missed that. Man, it is just not my day today, man. again, I want to see it go up into here. So we're going to put our stop loss down there. We're putting the stop loss down there because we're above this 5 minute busy. We still have an inefficiency down there that we could retrace to. So, and now to, I guess, I'm not going to say ensure, but to give me a little more confidence, what I do is I take a wick from here, or I measure the closest wick, and then I want to see it close above halfway. And I use the higher time frame wick. Whatever my higher time frame is, that's what I'm going to use. And I want to see it stay above halfway. 15 minute, I want to see so that's a civvy. That's a 15-minute civvy. Well, I'm going to delete that. And then since we're at 50, I'm going to sell one. I guess we'll sell them both, whatever. Whatever, man. I said today is just not my day, man. Life is life, and we'll say this, man. If you got a dad, you got a mom, make sure you tell them you love them. Because you never know. You never know when it's time for them to go home. So, never know. Yeah, dude, I'm about to close this. I'm not in this. I'm not in this. Yeah, we're just gonna tape read. I'm not gonna press any more buttons. And my head's not in it. Definitely somewhere else right now. So again, I want to see it get up to there. Here's a 1 minute. Busy. We took this high, came down, retraced, stayed above halfway of the 5 minute busy. So my one target was here and then there. I actually accidentally closed it. I didn't mean to close. I meant to sell one, but I hit sell. So yeah. Yeah. 15 minute. 15-minute consequent encroachment. just literally just erased that. So we wick down. This is a BISI, stay in the top half. So I like to see it continue to run higher. And then with it not closing below this, even though we opened up at a premium. One of the things I have struggled with is understanding that from a premium, we can go to a higher premium. And that lets me know, okay, well, if we're going to a higher premium, we're either going for liquidity or inefficiencies. And so that's where you go and look for liquidity or inefficiencies. Inefficient, 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 liquidity. Right here. Technically hit this and that. We're out, not daily. We're creeping up there. $2 minute. Well, we just ran a high. Where are the inefficiencies? Down there. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Just not my day today. As much as I like getting 100%, 100% of the time, I know sometimes you can't do that. Yeah, we're just gonna watch it. Once it go there, pretty much called it. Explained why I wanted to see it come down here, why this was my first target profit, and then that since we failed to do that, well, what did I need to start looking at? Equal highs up here, and then London high up here, and then anything past that went up to a 15-minute. Scroll to the left, you have a big old SIBI right here. This is consequent encroachment above that. Man, yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all. My head is definitely not in this. Like I said, let me see it go up here, go up into the 21.4, 1750. So yeah, man, I'll holler. Peace.